In today's video, I will walk you through how to use water paint hard edges in Krita. Create a new canvas, then select the brush tool by pressing B. Open the brush presets docker, search for water paint hard edges, and select the brush. Choose your foreground color, then adjust the brush size using the bracket shortcut keys or the size slider. Start painting with controlled pen pressure to create defined watercolor strokes. Increase pressure for stronger and more saturated marks while keeping the edges more visible. Build up colors by applying multiple strokes and adjusting the pressure to control the intensity. Use the color picker by holding Control to sample nearby colors and create smoother transitions between painted areas. Adjust the brush opacity or flow if you need more control over the strength of your strokes. Water paint hard edges is perfect when you want watercolor effects with sharper, more defined edges. It is great for creating bold watercolor strokes while keeping more control over the shape and color placement. This brush is useful for watercolor illustrations, detailed painting, defined shapes, textured areas, landscapes, foliage, and adding stronger details to your artwork. And that's how to use water paint hard edges in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.